just wanted to congratulate the biggest assholes in the world, or at least in America, because the other would be reserved for ISIS naturally. But Lowe's is open in a historic blizzard in Lubbock, Texas. Yes, the management of Lowe's made their employees come in for that many customers, and
and park.
it's been since 8 a.m.
Yeah, with parking.
And I won't forget that. And they made them park in employee parking all the way back there. Ain't that nice? Ain't that nice? Absolute fucking dirtbags. And so is that guy right there, who just so desperately needed to come on a Sunday in a blizzard to pick up whatever. America, what are you doing?